Hello traders, welcome to ChrisFX. Today I will take you through the concept of SMT divergence, which stands for Smart Money Techniques Divergence, as they want to call it. It is just divergence between two highly correlated assets. So it is the exact same concept as we have talked about it when we are trading, let's say, a specific asset but with the use of the RSI or the MACD or whatever. But here it is even more realistic because you see the divergence in real time and there is no lagging at all. Things are pretty simple how I entered this trade and why did I close it here? Because this was enough for me to pass the challenge. In my personal account, I just went here for first targets and here for second targets. Furthermore, 60% of the trades were taken only by using the ChrisFX concepts, and another 40%, let's say, of these trades were taken using this concept of SMT divergence. Of course, I also have courses on divergence in general, but because I know there are people who are gonna identify this thing and they will say that I'm just using somebody else's concepts, I will tell you something. I'm using all concepts that I have back tested and I have seen that are working for me. So first of all, what did we see right here? We had this precious area back in the past, as you see it right here on the 15-minute time frame, and we saw a proper change of character. Okay, impulsively price broke above this area, and we saw the exact same thing here on Nasdaq. So S&P and Nasdaq are doing the exact same thing. I did highlight this imbalance area, and of course I am also using this whole area of the order block as we see it right here. I was waiting for price to come back and react from this area. Now the first interesting thing starts. What is the first interesting part? I will just zoom out. Look at that. From this wick right here to this low over here, we had a lower low. But over here on Nasdaq, we had a higher low. At the same time, on S&P 500, price has tapped into this imbalance and the overall area of the order block. This is my first sign of a potential continuation, and that S&P 500 took the liquidity, grabbed the liquidity below this area, and that we are gonna continue with the overall uptrend. Now I will zoom in again. Here I am zoomed in at the exact same spot that we were beforehand. We see yet another reaction with a break towards the upside. I did not take this trade as far as I remember, but I took this trade over here. Now we'll delete these lines and you will see the exact same concept. You could have taken a trade right here. Now we broke above this area and I will just place this right here so you can see we are at the exact same spot on both of these assets. And with the same exact logic, I was waiting for a retracement on this, let's say, candlestick right here, which on the 5-minute time frame is a tiny area of a fair value gap as well, but I did highlight this important area according to me on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, this one right here. Now, when price was making it back into this area, what do we see once again? Pay very close attention. We see, as I showed you beforehand, that here on Nasdaq we are making a higher low, but on S&P 500 we are making a lower low. And we tap into a very important point of interest. When I saw that, I go ahead and scale down on the 1-minute time frame on both the S&P 500 and on Nasdaq. And let's go back in time and see this exact same place where I took the trade as well. Look now at the divergence in the divergence. Here, of course, we are interested in S&P 500 because this is the one that tapped into the area, and we saw an impulsive break of structure on the 1-minute time frame and a change of character. I did place my trade at the top of this area right here. Actually, I went in with a market execution. That's why I was activated a little bit above when we had this retracement. and I was targeting the first highs here for the funded account because this would have been my last trade as it was as well. So price came back, it did activate us into the trade right here, okay? Here is the exact same spot. But then price came back very impulsively again and I thought I might be stopped out. What gave me extra confidence that I will not get stopped out? I will tell you what. I saw more divergence, okay? In this occasion, when we are making higher highs, higher lows, this is hidden divergence. This is an extra confirmation of a potential continuation of the trend of the time frame that we are looking at. So here on S&P 500, we are making a lower low, but here we are making a higher low. So I was extra confident, I let this trade play, and I hit my target on this account, the funded account. I just passed with this last trade. On my other account, I will go back to the 15-minute time frame. On the personal account, I targeted first target over here, and I targeted a second target right here, and that was it. Very powerful concept, SMT divergence. I am trading a mix of that and my own trading concepts. I have a very high success rate, as I showed also in the previous video, despite my drawdown at the beginning only due to psychological reasons. I am a real trader and I did manage, of course, to bring the balance back into profit and also pass this challenge. Again, you can see this concept in a critical area. Of course, here I was not in front of my chart in the morning, but I would have taken this trade already had I been in front of my chart, and I will zoom in. Very nice trade I would have taken, but I'm not trading usually during these hours. Nonetheless, if I would be in front of the chart, I would have already entered a short in this previous significant area. If you guys want to learn more from a real trader who is not a gambler, a real trader is the one who can prove that he can do or she can do things during time after lots of trades, and he can prove how psychology and risk management play a critical role in trading. So come and join me. You can join my trading signals and you can also profit when I profit. It is only $49, one of the cheapest signals and one of the most accurate, of course. Or you can also join my Discord server and you can learn how to trade on your own, where you can also ask anything you want to ask me, and I am always there to answer it for you. This was the concept of SMT divergence. I will show more trades with this concept because it is something that I love trading as well. Besides my own trading strategies, I love trading this concept as well. Trading has been there for decades. No one who is alive right now can claim that concepts are his or hers. This is just another marketing tool. What I can claim for sure is that I have a high success rate, and if you join my Discord server, you have the benefit of having a mentor who can teach you. You can ask him whatever you want to ask, and he, in this occasion myself, I will be there to answer every single question. Some things now regarding the giveaway. The giveaway keeps going, and actually this is the list of the people who are already included in this giveaway. We have 41 people. We need to go to 100, and I will give access to 2 people to my courses absolutely for free with a random number generator. So leave your comment and like the video, and I will include you instantly in my giveaway. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.